So what is up mga tech shop, no? For today's video mga tech shop, we have here a Redmibook 15. Issue is no audio.
What?
As you can see mga tech shop, if you go to the volume settings, it's grayed out and you cannot change the volume.
Oh no!
You cannot adjust the volume for some reason, and it's grayed out. And it says no output device found. So what could be the problem for this mga rickshaw? So I went to the device manager mga rickshaw and I found that Intel high definition audio is missing. So there's a missing device driver that we need to install. I tried to update through Windows Update, but it didn't work. So I went online and checked if there are available device driver for this specific laptop,
What?
and then I found an installer. So I went to the Xiaomi Redmi website and downloaded Realtek Audio.
Woo!
It only takes few minutes to download this driver.
Nice.
Once downloaded, just run the install. Extracted the downloaded file.
What?
And then wait for a few minutes. Alright, after a few minutes, I run the install batch file, and then it extracted the driver and installed the driver. And then still until high definition driver is still missing, so I had to manually locate the folder for the driver. So I went to C drive and then drivers, then locate Realtek audio driver or Realtek audio folder where the device driver is located.
What?
Installing drivers, and it successfully installs the audio driver and seems to be installed. Close the device driver window and went to the volume, and now I can adjust the volume.
Nice.
Then I tested it on YouTube. I searched John Born Tech Shop YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.
Nice.
And tested it. Okay. And I think yes. Adjust na to, adjust ba? Okay. Alright, audio is now working. If in case you encounter the same issue, you can follow the steps that I've done on this laptop. Make sure that the device driver for audio is installed. Let's go!